So the first recipe for this year's I Am Shayna cookbook is none other than jerk pork. A lot of my friends have been asking me for the recipe because what I usually do is I buy a whole pork shoulder and I jerk it. So a lot of my friends been asking me about the recipes, and a lot of them just want me to make it for them. So I've been slowing down on the meat. It's part of my new diet. So, but of course, I definitely would make it for my friend and my friends, right? So I did make it, and also I'm doing this video right now to share with you all the recipe, basically. And of course, like I've always said to you guys, the I Am Shayna cookbook is basically my recipes. Like, of course, every meal has a basis to it, but me, I've added my own personal touch. So always remember, there's going to be certain things that's done a little different from what the norm. But of course, like, you always have to add yourself into every meal you prepare. So it's like love, adding a little, all of the, you know, regular ingredients and your dash of your little, yourself. Love, okay? So always remember that when I cook. So again, hope you enjoy this recipe. And there's more to come. There's plenty more to come, by the way. As a matter of fact, I shall give you a list of what I will have planned so far this year to make. And if you have any suggestions or any recipe that you would like me to make, or even try one of your own, that would be so exciting. So please do send it to me at iamshayna@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And also, don't forget to check out the official website, iamshayna.com. Okay? Bye. So I've laid down all of the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe on the table right now, and you can see I'll tell you one by one what they are. And don't forget to go to iamshayna.com for a more thorough list of ingredients. This is McCormick jerk seasoning. You can find it at your local supermarket in the McCormick section. They should have it, and this is a pretty good one. You'd be surprised, but it's pretty good. This one is Larry. The brand is Larry garlic powder. I think it's new on the market, so look out for it. It's pretty good. It's probably the best garlic powder I've ever used. This is black pepper, of course. This is Grace jerk seasoning. It's a marinade. So you're gonna be using two jerk seasoning. This marinade and of course the previous one, the McCormick powder. You're gonna put all the ingredients on the left hand side in the blender and blend it. Don't forget to add the thyme as well. After cleaning your pork shoulder with lime and vinegar, rinse it thoroughly and place it in a pan. Then you take a knife and poke it. Poke holes into it. That way you can get all of the seasoning right up in there. And don't worry if it bleeds. I mean, you're stabbing it, you're poking it, it's gonna bleed. So, yeah, but once you clean it thoroughly and you did this, it's fine. You can poke it and put the seasoning all over it. There you go. Pour it all over it and work it into, all the holes that you poked. So now you can start adding your jerk seasoning, your marinade. You could start working it in there. And right after that, you could sprinkle it with your McCormick jerk powder. So, and just keep working it as the video shows. Just keep follow the instructions on the video, and voila. You're gonna add these in the side of the pan, the green peppers, red peppers, parsley, thyme. You're gonna add them here on the side of the pan so it can cook with the marinade, because you're gonna need to baste it periodically. So that way it gives it a lot of flavor. So now you can cover it once you finished with that process, you can cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 8 hours if you plan on cooking it that day. If not, you can put it up to 2 days. Some people say 5, but I would not leave it in there for more than 2 days. But 2 days would give you a real all the flavors, a good flavor. So yeah, up to 2 days, but no more than that. Now you can follow the rest of the instructions on iamshayna.com on the next steps. Okay, thank you for watching, and you can continue watching the video and see the outcome. Bye.